Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how to make boiled icing. This frosting was made without butter, milk or icing sugar. So you need 2 large egg whites. We are going to beat it until it reaches stiff peak. So once it reaches stiff peak, set it aside. It's time to prepare this sugar syrup. You need 300 grams of sugar, that is 1.5 cup of sugar. Add 2/3 cup of water. Add half teaspoon of glucose or corn syrup. Adding this is totally optional, but it helps to make the frosting stable. So bring the mixture to boil, stir it until the sugar is completely dissolved. If you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you love to see more of these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. Once the mixture is completely dissolved, boil the syrup without stirring until it reaches the soft ball peak. If you have a cooking thermometer, it should read about 240 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a thermometer, there are 2 ways to check it. One, if you drop it from the tip of a spoon, it should form a long thread. Or when you drop a small drop of it in water, it should form a soft ball. So you can see I dropped some into the water and it didn't form any soft ball. So we keep boiling. So after boiling for a while, I think it is ready. When I dropped the syrup from the tip of a spoon, it formed a long thread like this. So to make sure I'm dropping a small drop of the syrup into the water, and if it should form a soft ball. Yeah, this sugar syrup is ready. So take it off from the heat. If you should keep boiling, it will enter another stage called the hard crack stage. Slowly pour the sugar syrup over the egg white while you are beating it constantly. So continue beating the mixture for 10 to 15 minutes until the frosting is cool and you get the right consistency for spreading. I added a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once you beat it to the right consistency, then your frosting is ready. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, but don't freeze it. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share and leave a comment.